So I'm trying to work on analyzing the contents of the website that he said. My initial step involved verifying its accessibility and index status through Google search. Now it's saying accessing site availability. I tried to browse the URL directly as the search results were empty. So these suggest that the site might be brand new, private, or simply, and then it is going through that. And now it is giving, it is now starting to generate a website. Okay, so now what you see is the code here. Now if I go into the build mode,
If it copies the necessary space, if it copies my portfolio.
if it copies your portfolio, depending on your indexing aspect, if you've given the site for indexing, yeah, you can. But you own the domain, yeah? So we can have fake versions of whatever your portfolio is.
We can run the play.
Okay, so now you have this. Let's see.
Yeah.
Check out my work, my skills, JavaScript, React. Are these the ones that you put? Yeah? Some things I built. E-commerce dashboard.
Those are not mine.
Okay, maybe it's suggesting that you add this. So get in touch and so on. So, I mean, that's the whole. So you have skills. Yeah, all of these are working.
Yeah, actually, it did a good job copying most of the stuff.
Most of it. Now, what I want to show is how you can do the same thing with the build option. Okay, since we are anyway on this topic, let's actually go here. And this is where, let's say we go with build. I want you guys to actually try this right now, if you can. Okay, open your laptop and try this. Now, the cool thing about this one, what I want to highlight is, in the build option, you can literally choose what all features that you want the application
It
to
has
have.
problem making dynamic websites.
You tried it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
For dynamic website, it doesn't work.
You want to have two types of different functions,
okay.
but it will give us preview, but it will not give an app. The app will crash.
Yeah. I
Okay.
had
Did you try to prompt it further?
I had 15,000 errors.
Okay.
No, it gets
Let's
fixed.
see how it goes.
No, you can fix it normally. There is fix error option on
Yeah,
that.
yeah. So you can do that. So let's give it a shot. Okay. Now what I wanted to highlight here, let me actually show you some of the things that it can do. So this is, you see, if you
Sachin, there is one problem. When you make the application, there is an option to push it to Git, right? So it goes into the main branch, and then you take the code, because this is prototype. Take the code locally and build it. Then you make some changes locally.
Now that is
You
where I want to
cannot
highlight.
push it back to the Git.
That is where I want to highlight anti-gravity.
Yeah.
Because with anti-gravity, it's an IDE, just like your Visual Code, right? So whatever you're doing there, now with anti-gravity, these are all building new stuff. With anti-gravity, what you can do is, you have your existing code base. You can literally pass that code base and start to refine it on top of it. Okay, I'll show you that. So anti-gravity, as I said, what took my developers 1 year to build, I did it in 3 days
Yes.
with more features. As a single person, just talking with my agent. Okay, so that's how powerful it is. But I'll show you some of the examples. So here, what it's saying is, bring anything to life. Gemini sees the code and everything, often an old map, flow plan, diagram, or So if you guys have some crazy ideas, let me know. We can take an image and then pass it on. Anyone has any weird, creative ideas? Let me know. Give me 3 images or 2 images. We'll give it a shot. What would you like?
I didn't get images of what?
Anything. So here's basically an app that the Google team has actually given to showcase the models capabilities. So what they have done is an app which is called Bring Anything to Life. All you have to do is upload images to it, and it will try to bring it to life.
Can you search for Sargon of Akkad?
Come here, type.
SARGON
What is it?
GON
Okay.
space of Akkad. Yeah.
Okay.
Bring it to life.
Bring this to life.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try. Which one do you want me to pick?
Take anyone.
Not the scary one, man.
I think this is how it's supposed to be. Yeah.
Yeah, I built something out of it. You can check.
What's that?
I already built something. You check.
You already built something. Okay. So I'm gonna save this. Okay. Any other image that you want me to pick?
There
You want
is
to
one.
link it with anything? Or just
Okay.
that?
Babylon.
Okay. Which one?
Take any image. Maybe
First one?
Fourth one.
fourth one.
Fourth one? Okay, let's see what happens. Come here. Just gonna choose. So we are not doing anything. We just uploaded an image. So we'll see what it tries to come up with. Some of the examples that Google showcases, they had some images of old cassettes. You know the old cassettes?
Yeah.
Oh, you know about old cassettes?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
VHS. VHS.
Yeah, VHS. I think you know what's a VHS.
My father has one.
Oh, okay, cool. But yeah, so they uploaded images of that. It then created a 3D model of a cassette with an interactive buttons. So when you click the buttons, it actually starts playing, and then you see it move and stuff like that. So let's see what it does behind the scenes when this thing comes in. In the meantime, feel free. You guys can actually go and try this one out. Okay, and we'll see what it comes up with. So at the same time, let
Can
me
you
go-
share this? Bring any idea to life?
Yeah. So if you go to AI Studio,
It's there.
go to build,
Yeah.
it will be one of the options.
Okay.
Bring anything to life. So now, based on the image, which is the input source, it says, "I am the king of the four corners of the world. Ask the ancient king." So it's
Oh.
almost built like a chatbot. What are you all about?
Who are you? Email?
Is it something that is saying? Do you understand it? I don't know.
No. It should be in Arabic.
It should be in
Arabic.
Arabic. Who are and I think there's some.
It's not giving any space.
Okay, beware.
It's
Okay,
English.
yeah, I get it now. So beware, there is. Beware the rising water of the Tigris. Okay. So now, you can see as I move the mouse, even the eyes is moving. Actually.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And then I can further go and fix this.
You can ask it to refine and make it look more similar. നമ്മൾ ആ തല എടുത്തിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ തിരിച്ചു വെച്ച് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ അതിന് ഓരോ ഭാഗത്തും അതിന് ഓരോ എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷൻ കൊടുക്കും.
Opal. Opal. Last time I checked, I had access. But yeah, don't rely on that. But just check. It's still not available here. Okay. So for folks who are wondering what Opal is, it's a way for you to actually have your own like agents. You can actually connect and create different workflows where you can trigger. So it will then automatically start to go and start to do those things. So now it's refining the 3D elements, incorporating 3D elements. So let's see. Now I think this whole thing is kind of
Ask
I
it
don't
to
know.
interact like the king. So
ask it to.
he is a ruler. So ask
Okay.
him to be like him.
Okay, we'll see that. We'll do that. Let's just finish. Anyone has done anything interesting?
I can show a video of this in YouTube.
Okay, cool. We'll see that as well. Anyone has done anything cool? At least are you guys able to go to AI Studio and try it out? Anyone who's not tried it? Raise of hands. But for me, the most interesting aspect is actually seeing how the AI actually thinks behind the scenes. Even for when you're starting to build things in anti-gravity or something like that.
Sachin, if I come back tomorrow to the same page, it doesn't hold the memory.
Did you try saving it?
Yeah, it is already pushed to the Git, right? So
Which one? You're talking about Git?
now you took a project, right?
Okay.
You started bringing any ideas to life. So it's a project. You started, you made so many changes, so many images you have made over there, and then it updates. And then you push it to Git, okay, and it's saved. Come back tomorrow here again, you will see all the images vanished because it's temporarily storing in image BB or something.
Mhm.
So you cannot continue. You have to rewrite everything from the
That's what
beginning.
I'm saying. If you are thinking about building like a full end-to-end product, the best thing for you is to use anti-gravity. I'll show you that because there it is actually on your own local code base. It is not hosted anywhere. It is not saved anywhere.
This is basically only for prototyping.
Yeah, I mean the whole idea about AI Studio is for you to quickly prototype applications. You can take the code from here and then further build on top of it. Okay, there are people who are building applications depending on different use cases, right? Now you're trying to maintain it as a full Git repo where you come and keep updating it and so on.
The
So-
problem is that like you continue with an idea and then the idea evolves, then tomorrow you come back and you want to restart, like continue from there.
Mhm.
The whole idea it would have forgotten. So
Mhm.
you need to like
So that's why I
prompt
think
again.
for your use case, I'll show you anti-gravity. It will be a huge
Blow your
difference.
mind.
Yeah.
So this one you can make work maybe 3 hours or 4 hours.
Yeah.
After that, it's out of its mind.
Mm. Okay, so it's still generating something. So anyone else have given it a shot?
I think it's
I
done.
received the game. Defend the fort.
Yeah, you created a game.
Yeah.
I
As
think
said, I
session.
just showed my son how to build one game. He created 7 games. Then he said, I want to share this with my friends. I said, okay, create a website. Then he went to Gemini, said, I want to create your website, blah, blah, blah. He gave it something. And in fact, he's 7 years. He's not very fast in typing. He's using the voice. So he's chatting. And then it generated a website. Then he asked, okay, Papa, how can I link these two? Said, take this one URL, ask Gemini to put it in different. And then he gave all the list of games he's created, put it in there. And then after class now, what they're doing, he's sharing that website link with his friends and they're sitting and playing behind the scenes.
We are ready to subscribe.
Ready to subscribe?
Sachin, can we try upload the picture again?
Come on.